Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Creative Queen X. My name is Gia and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks how you can smell good all day long. So if you want to watch this video, make sure to watch this until the end and let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna share with you some body butters that I've got here. I've got this one here from the Body Shop. They smell so amazing. I've got a few more, but this one, let me start with this one here. It says Satsuma. I don't know what that is. That a fruit or something? It smells like citrusy. I honestly can't tell you, but this body butter, guys, if you are a big fan of vitamin C, you're definitely gonna love this. It really awakens your senses, and best way is to, if you like are about to go to sleep, apply it before you sleep, or if you have a bath, just after having a shower, just come out of the shower and just apply this on like your damp skin. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I feel like eating it up, but yeah, don't eat it. And the next one I've got is another one from the Body Shop here. This one is from, it says 24-hour moisture for normal to dry skin, and it says the name of it is British Rose. And this one, guys, it smells that smells good as well. I wish I could show you guys. Do you want to smell it? Try to smell it. This smells good, but the Satsuma, the orange one, is still gonna be my favorite because that's more like vitamin C. But this one here is very refreshing as well, really moisturizing. It's the rose one. The best thing to do is buy these when Body Shop has special offers during seasonal time. And I've got another one here. This one is 48-hour extra ultra moisturizing. So wow, it says handcrafted shea butter from Ghana. Wow, check this one out. It actually has shea butter in it. And this one, oh my god, this is so good as well. All of the products from Body Shop, you just feel like, oh my god, you just want to smell them like forever. This one I used yesterday as well, and this one gives you a really thick moisturizing effect on your skin, leaves your skin smooth and subtle, and smells really great as well. If you are a person who are looking for a lot of moisture, then definitely go for this one. Otherwise, you can go for the other ones as well. They are moisturizing as well, but slightly thinner than this one. The shea butter one is actually the thickest one. But I like to use all kind of body butters. I've got these three as shown you before. According to my mood, sometimes you just want a different smell, according to how dry your skin is. Yeah, but I would definitely suggest you guys buy different sorts of body butters to use all over your body, whether it's your hand or your feet, it doesn't matter, and moisturize your skin, and it's gonna smell so amazing. I promise you that. If you haven't got a body butter yet, you definitely should buy one. I love the Body Shop because the products are really natural, and it's not tested on animals, and that's the best thing about it. And let me tell you something, this video is not sponsored. I'm just giving you my own personal opinion. And another thing I want to tell you is, number 2 is, if you haven't got this product, you definitely should buy it. It's the Nivea Silk Luxurious Shower Silk Mousse. I'm gonna list all the products I use in the description box, so don't worry about it. I'm definitely gonna share it with you guys. This one is, you know, when you have your shower as normal, you wash your body with soap, and once you finish with everything, once you finish rinsing off your body, this product I use at the very end. I apply it on my arms, on my underarms, wherever I want, just here, everywhere. And don't apply this on your face, please. Just apply it on the body. And leave it on there for a couple of minutes, and then rinse it off. And voila! You're gonna smell so good. Everyone's gonna ask you, what the hell did you apply on your body? You smell so amazing. Ah, trust me, this one's like, even with the cap, it just smells so good. Wow, I just love it so much. Especially in the summer or winter, it doesn't matter, but you can use it all year long. It's like once you use it, it becomes like very thick, like a foam, like a mousse, and then you just rub it off, and yeah, after a few minutes, as I said, just wash it off and let it stay. And don't apply anything afterwards, because if you want the smell to just stay. And another thing is I wanted to share with you, it's like these small roll-on perfumes. You can actually get these, you call it Attar as well, and these are like roll-on concentrated perfumes. These are so amazing. All you need to do is just take a little amount on your palms, and this is heaven. And apply some over here as well. And yeah, just few drops, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The best thing is about these concentrated perfumes, these roll-on perfumes, that these fragrance, it just lasts you forever, like for a few many hours actually, not forever, but you know what I mean. But these are so good. And one thing I want to tell you is I'm normally allergic to perfumes, but this one, I'm okay with it for some reason, because it's a roll-on. Because if I spray something near my face or near my arms, I just sneeze like a million times. But with this one, I don't know why, I've been okay right now. But yeah, always do a patch test before you apply any kind of product on your body. And yeah, that's it pretty much for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching it, and if you do, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. I hope it helped you out, and just smell good all day long, and remember me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care. Love you all. Mwah.